What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing a backtesting session. So just to show you guys my thought process and what you can avoid and what you can essentially chase in the markets. So let's get straight into this shit. Okay, so this is a random day, but this is a session I'm already in the middle of doing. So I'm just going to continue doing it while I'm recording, because why not? So what do we have here? It looks like we have a data wick up here. And if you wanted to know what date this is, we are on the 10th of September 2025. So cool. Looks like we're already in a 15, which is nice. So this could displace us up to that data wick. Let me change the color of that because it's disgusting. There we go. So potentially we could get propelled off this and this, but we might see this low get taken first. That would be bloody lovely. So let's see. There we go. Boom, boom. Do we get an inversion off of this? Okay. So the 15-minute actually did not hold, but it looks like we have an hourly here. So we do have an hourly. So let's see if this holds as well. We do have relatively equal lows here on the hourly. Okay. So oh Jesus, do we have 10 AM news potentially? I don't know. Okay, well, let's see if we can reverse on the 5 minute CISD. Nice. And we're about to, oh, we actually have 2 gaps on the 5 minute. Okay, this is such a shit price action. What the fuck? Okay, let's go to PM. PM actually came down. I'm very surprised we didn't. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, yeah. I'm very surprised we didn't actually take this. I'm not gonna lie. But now we have swept this outside, so we are most likely going to look to target what this LR in the PM. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Would have liked to see that get taken first. I can't lie. Can we do that? Yeah, there we go. And if we get 5 minute, I'm not gonna lie, I will actually take this shit because I'm actually not reacting from it. Oh, we're in a 4 hour. I didn't even see that. I should have checked. Okay. 5 minute inverse. We're in a 4 hour. We also have an SMT. This looks nice. What time is it? 2:25. Okay, I'll take this. This should look good. This shit looks good. Not gonna lie, I want to see a bit of a run on this. And obviously we have the data highs. So I'm probably going to target these relatively equal highs if I want to, and depending on how we displace up here, I might adjust this as we go. Because if we start getting like massive candles towards the upside, I'll just adjust my TP. Okay. Just risk 1% of 50k for you guys. Okay, so that was an L. Why did this fail? I mean, we're in a 4 hour. This looks kind of nice to me. I'm not gonna lie to you. 15 minute. I guess we have 15 minute version and a 1 hour, but I'm still wanting that 4 hour to hold. We are also coming up to this 1 hour. How long does the 4 hour got left? 3 hours. Okay. Well, it's gonna have to be tomorrow. Yeah, there we go. So we rejected that 1 hour and then we moved up. Brilliant. But it looks like now, after this harsh ass rejection, is this a data wick? Yeah, it is. Fuck. Okay. But not gonna lie, I do like that. That's actually really nice. We swept liquidity with that. I'm thinking we could potentially take this first. Or even not come back to this at all. Okay, well let's look to get along and see. So we actually have an SMT here as well. But we did reject this 5. If we get an inversion to the outside here, there we go. I'm happy to take. Ah, we have already got an SMT with it. Complete SMT. Okay. Well, we're at all-time highs. We have a data wick. My opinion in this, if this fails, I'll be very surprised. See, look, what are we doing on NQ? There we go. Alright, I'll go break even here. Because we've got that second respection. And looks like we're gonna get. Okay, there you go. TP for 1.17. Not bad. Not the best trade. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty like low rating if I'm honest. I don't tend to like rating sales, but like that's low key low, fucking low. But we took it anyway because it's higher probability than it going down. Okay, there we go. We've got 1 hour and another 1 hour here. Let's check the daily. Oh, 4 hour that is. Jeez. Okay. Respecting that. And then what do we have? Different SMT here. God damn, yeah we do. All-time high SMT. That's not good. That's not good at all. Not ideal. Okay, well let's see. So what happens? A bit of an accumulation here. I'd kind of still like that to get taken, to be honest. We also have another data wick here, which is nice. Okay, we have an all-time high SMT. We also have an SMT here with these. And we also have a 5 minute now that's just closed below here. So, not gonna lie, I'm quite happy to take this. Although we are in some chop. I'm just gonna have to go for a 1-to-1 here. Not gonna lie, I am gonna enter in off a limit though. I feel like a limit is gonna be okay with this. Damn. Okay, so we didn't get that fill, but it's a good trade. Good trade. But what have we done now? So we swept this low. We also swept these equal lows here. And we have rejected from what? The hourly again. Okay. So now we've got that liquidity sweep inside, so the manipulation inside, and we hit that 1 hour. Let's see if we can get 5 minute 5 minute inversion here. That would be nice. There we go. And we get that. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm liking after this manipulation. I want to see us. Yeah, we've got an SMT. I want to see us displace above this high. Let's go for a 1-to-1 here. I'm not going to limit that shit. Let's go market. Oh, that was a heavy wick. Okay, there we go. So we've hit our target. Now we just need to, fingers crossed, we don't get stopped at the break even after this. There we go. Nice 1-to-1. Cool, cool, cool. Honestly, I don't even think I need to cut this video up at all. We're just going to go with it. So, still all-time highs now. Now I have no S&T, which is nice. Actually, I changed my mind. The fuck? Okay, so we gapped up on both. That's so dumb. Okay. So, yeah. Let's target the magnet here. 30-minute, 1 hour, which has already been tapped. But I like these pre-market. Let's take these pre-markets. Please take these pre-market highs and move down. That'd be quite nice to see that. Or we move down off open to get a 5-minute. Thick 5-minute would be nice. Okay. Let's see. 15. Okay. Fuck, dude. We just send it straight in. It's gonna take a while to take. Holy shit. We've got 15 up here. Ooh, and a 1 hour, which barely tapped. So I'm gonna mark that shit out as well. There we go. 15 in here. We could just see a reaction like that. To see price react from there, but these are equal London highs. So let's see that gets swept first. Yeah, I want to see that shit get swept first before I do anything. Not gonna lie, it's just not very nice. Okay, I missed the opportunity because I sped through it. Oh. We haven't even got a PO3 lining up. Honestly. Damn, we fucking did that shit. Okay. Pretty obviously bullish here. Yeah. Very bullish here. Yeah. See if we can get an SMT with these lows on from ES. I mean, this looks like it might have SMT'd yet. Damn, straight up. Probably should have 30-seconded that. Oh wow, that's interesting. I'm still looking for a long off this. I'm not going to lie. There we go. Did we get that hourly? Yeah, we did. Hourly SMT. Oh, please don't blast straight through. Yuck. Okay, that's nice though. Let's target the high. All-time highs. What is the time though? 10:55. If we're gonna be bearish, I should probably fade this. Bullish. Okay, well, I'm just gonna take my ass here and go early break even. There we go. Not too bad. I'm actually surprised that didn't come down and hit me break even. The reason why I hesitated there was because we then had the 10 AM candle opening up. So this 10 AM literally has this wick. Like, if I was bullish, I would want to see this candle open up, come down a little bit more, and then go up. But that's fine. Let's go to the next day. Okay, disrespecting hourly. Respecting hourly. Bullish. Daily, where are we at? Jesus. Okay. So I'm just going to target highs then. All-time high, target highs. Let's go. we have any... I mean, like, look at this shit, though. This doesn't look too great. Not gonna lie. Is this mitigated? No, it's not. This would be a perfect long. We're on the 5 minute here. Holy shit. That actually held. I am not shorting that. Longing that. Scuff setup. SMT highs, 5 minute version. There's loads of stacked LR. Also an unfilled 15. Oof. Oof. I'm not surprised manipulation though. Manipulation is not that great. It's literally tiny. But we'll go with that. This is just a mechanical vid. So once we take a low, we will, so this first low here, we'll go break even. This one, there we go. There we go, break even. And it'd be nice if we just flush through. But yeah, I couldn't see that happening. And we literally have like stacks on stacks. So like if this holds, there we go. We can potentially look for shorts. Voila. Let's go for this again. We're going to retarget this, which is normally a bad idea. But I'm super high conviction here. We also have LR at my stop. Yep, faded. I'm taking that shit. There we go, boys. That's why I don't take it. Why did I not take it? Because we have an SMT here. Not only that, we also have built up LR above my stop. So it's a bit scatty. Let's get to the next day. Okay. I'm liking this. And this. Jesus. This looks nice. Now, give me 1 second. Okay, this looks very nice. We've got two liquidity pools I kind of want to target. I mean, we've got this accumulation. Let's see if there's a manipulation, and then we get a distribution lower, but I'm still not going to take that if we get it because we have all this LR. I'm not liking that. But do we have a 4 hour? We're not even rejecting from a 4 hour. Do we have a 1 hour? We do. We have a 1 hour here, but I'm not looking for this. Two, we also have one here, but I'm not going to mark that shit because I can't be asked. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not going to lie. I want to see this shit get targeted before we do anything. I don't trust that shit. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see this get taken a bit more. Let's see this run up. It's kind of disgusting how much we built up below. Not gonna lie. Not a massive fan of that. And we are expecting that. Not sure if I'm gonna want to long this. It's nice displacement. Yeah. Like this does look nice though, just to take this, and we've got that swept, and we've got this 1 hour, 1 minute even. Okay. Do have an SMT against this, but like low key, this shit's a relatively nice setup. I just don't like the fact that it stuck around, you know. If this was in a 15, I probably would have taken it. Oh, the 15-minute inverse. But we also in the hourly. It's not fucking nice. Fuck it. Let's take it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Nah, bro. What the fuck am I saying? Ain't no way I'm taking that. Look, watch. If I would have taken this, yeah? This is my target. 1-to-1, boom. Okay? Let's see what happens. I take it back. But this is not a good setup. Like, look at this shit. LRR. You don't want to be taking that, boys. You do not want to be taking that. Okay? So, faded, but for good measure. Faded for good measure. Right. Let's see what we got here. Relatively equal highs. Which we... God damn, have we... Jesus, we have equal lows on an hourly. Which we took out on ES. But like still, equal hours on a... Shit tapped. Still, it's relatively equal. And I just want a manipulation to one of these sides and then we'll target the other, like literally. Oh, I thought we gapped again then. I thought I was going to have to get out of my brain. Okay, manipulation. 2 minute? Yep. 3 minute? No. Oof, we respected. Brother is holding. Looks like we're probably planning on rebalancing before we do this. How much have we got to rebalance? Ooh, quite a lot. Oh, damn, that's nice as well. This like group cluster of just lows, like this just wants to be ran. Holy shit. I'm not sure if it wants to be ran before or after though. Let's see. So we're in a 15 plus 30 plus hourly plus 4 hour. And is it 3 minute? Ooh, 3 minute inversion. 3 minute inversion to a 15 minute FEG. Let's see. I've got that manipulation into the higher time frame. We've also got, what the fuck is this SMT, bruh? Shit. I'm going to target the 15 here for low hanging fruit, but I'm also going to target these highs because of this SMT. Like, Jesus. I'm thinking this can run quite a bit higher. So let's do that. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Get me out of this shit. I'm not gonna lie. I would be out of this. If this was live trade right now, I'd be fucking out of this. Wait, actually, September. I actually remember this trade. What the hell? I think this does just tap and then we go down. Yeah. Okay. So I'd go gone break even there and taken 50 for a 1-to-1. Is that 1-to-1? Oh shit, it was a little bit below. Oh well. But this is what I would have been targeting, and then we obviously come down and we continue down, I think. Shit, I'm gonna have to stop this video now because I actually remember this PA. Fuck. That's weird. Yeah, we do. Continue down. Fuck. Okay, well, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed and I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, do let me know and feel free to message me on Instagram because I always have my DMs open. I'm always happy to help you guys. So yeah, drop me a message. Thank you guys. Peace out.